Alright, Holy Muffin, I'm going to teach you how to do number 5, because this one's interesting. So I already did 1 and 2, you can check your answers after I teach you how to do number 5. So number 5, we have 3 and 2/10 divided by 8 over 10. So this number, we got to change that number into an improper fraction. An improper fraction would look like 25 over 2, a bigger number on top and a smaller number on the bottom. Another improper fraction could look like 14 divided by 3. So that's another improper fraction. So to change this into an improper fraction, we gotta take the bottom number, the denominator, and multiply it by the whole number. So 10 times 3 is 30, and we have to add the top number after we multiply the bottom. So after we get 30, we gotta add the 2. So we get 32. So we have 32 right here, and we keep the denominator. So it'll be 10. And we gotta do reciprocal. So the reciprocal is basically these two numbers switched over. So the reciprocal of 8 over 10 would be 10 over 8. So it'll be times the dot symbol for times and 10 over 8. And right after you do the reciprocal, you must multiply. So now we have 32 over 10 times 10 over 8. And we can, like, diagonally, we can simplify. So 10 and 10 goes into each other one time. And now we have 32 over 8. Because 32 times 1 equals 32, and 8 times 1 equals 8. So 32 over 8 was simplified to 4. So that's our answer. So another way to approach this, like, we do the same thing. We change this into an improper fraction to 32 over 10. And right here, we could just simplify this into, well, we could simplify after we do the reciprocal. So it'll be times, and 10 over 8 can be reduced to 5 over 4. So now we can simplify this. We have 1 and 2, and then 1 and 8. So we simplify diagonally on both sides. So now we have 8 times 1 is 8, and 2 times 1 is 2. So that still simplifies into 4. The same idea, you still get the same answer no matter how you approach this. So your answer for number 5 would be 4. So if you do these procedures, then you should be able to get for numbers 1 and 2, 125 and 1 over 25. So good luck on that. Alright, I'm going to do one more. So for number 4, we have 5 over 10 divided by 25 over 100. So 5 over 10, we just leave it as is. The reciprocal, we set up our multiplication sign. 25 over 10, so 100 over 25 as the reciprocal. And we could simplify diagonally, so 1 and 5 and then 10 and 1. So it'll be 10 over 5 equals 2. So number 4 would be 2. If you're wondering how I simplified it, so 10 and 100. So we have 10. So 10 can go into 10 one time, and 10 can go to 100 10 times. And for this one, 5 and 25, we take the 5 as our main number. So 5 can go into 5 one time and goes into 25 5 times. So that's how you simplify right there. So this is number 4. That's 1 and 2. So any questions, I'll help you again.